I'm Dr. Anusya, consultant physician and diabetologist at the Apollo Clinics in Bangalore. Today we will have a short talk on hypertension, its complications, and some lifestyle modifications which we can do to maintain our BP. What is hypertension? Hypertension is defined as any BP for an adult above 18 years where the systolic BP is above 140 and the diastolic BP is above 90 millimeter of mercury. The prevalence of hypertension in India is around 29.8% of the population, of which the urban population has around 33.8% and it is seen in 27.6% of the rural population. Hypertension is on an increase now in the younger age group. The prevalence chart is more skewed towards the younger generation. And it is also seen that hypertension is more prevalent in the urban population. So how does this patient with hypertension present to a physician? Most cases of hypertension are asymptomatic. They come for a routine health check or cough, cold, fever where their BP is checked and it is found to be high. Some of them come with signs and symptoms, in a number of signs and symptoms which we pick up in the OPD. You could come with breathlessness, chest pain, palpitations, blurred vision, a headache. You could also present to the physician with blood in the urine. So why treat the hypertension? Hypertension is treated to prevent its complication. The main complication of hypertension is a cardiovascular disease. The patient can end up with a heart attack. The second complication is a stroke. A high BP can lead to a hemorrhagic stroke or an ischemic stroke. And the last complication is a kidney disease. Hypertension accounts for 25% of all end-stage renal diseases in India. So what are the few lifestyle changes we should be doing to maintain this high BP? 1. To reduce weight. The moment the weight is brought down, BP falls down drastically. Second, to exercise regularly. A regular exercise of 30 minutes of brisk walking at least 5 days a week can help to reduce almost up to 10 millimeter of mercury. Eat a healthy diet which is rich in whole grains, vegetables and low-fat dairy products. All of these will help to reduce your BP. Reduce salt in your diet. Small reduction in sodium in your diet can improve your overall heart health and also reduce the BP by almost 5 to 6 millimeter of mercury. Limit the amount of alcohol in your diet. Drink alcohol in moderation. Alcohol is known to interfere with most of the BP medications, so limit the amount of alcohol. Please quit smoking. Smoking is known to affect the overall health of your heart and is also known to increase the BP. Reduce stress. At least get 5 to 8 hours of sleep every day. Last but not the least, please monitor your BP at home. And if it is found to be high, please do visit your physician. Hypertension is a chronic disease. It can be controlled but cannot be cured. So patients have to continue with the lifestyle modification and also continue on their medications if they are on it. Have a healthy day. Thank you. Namaste.